Hi, friends. Good afternoon. Welcome to my Impact channel. Today, we shall discuss about psychology's very important topic, the branches of psychology. So, keep watching and listening this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel to get this educational video. So, branches of psychology. There are different types of psychology that serve different purposes. There is no fixed way of classifying them, but here are some common types. Number one, cognitive psychology. Cognitive psychology investigates internal mental processes such as problem solving, memory learning, and language. It looks how people think, perceive, communicate, and remember and learn. It is closely related to neuroscience, philosophy, and linguistics. Cognitive psychologists look at how people acquire, process, and store information. The practical applications includes how to improve memory, increase the accuracy of decision making, or how to set up educational programs to boost learning. Yeah, this is all about cognitive psychology. Next, another point, branch of psychology, development psychology. Yeah, the developmental psychology or development psychology, same meaning. So, this is the scientific study of systematic psychological changes that a person experiences over the lifespan, often referred to as human development. It focuses not only on infants and young children but also teenagers, adults, and older people. Factors include the mother skills, problem solving, moral understanding, acquiring language, emotions, personality, self concept, and identity formation. It also looks at innate mental structure against learning through experience or how a person's characteristics interact with environmental factors and how this impacts development. Developmental psychology overlaps with fields such as linguistics. So, this is called developmental psychology. Next, another branch of psychology, number three, evolutionary psychology. Evolutionary psychology looks at how human behavior, for example, the language has been affected by psychological adjustments during evolution. And an evolutionary psychologist believes that many human psychological traits are adaptive in that they have enabled us to survive over thousands of years. Next, a branch of psychology, clinical psychology. 4. Number 4 point, clinical psychology. So, clinical psychology integrates science, theory, and practice in order to understand, predict, and relieve problems with adjustment, the disability, and discomfort. It promotes adaptation, adjustment, and personal development. A clinical psychologist concentrates on the intellectual, emotional, biological, psychological, social, and behavioral aspects of human performance, throughout a person's life across varying cultures and socio-economic levels. The clinical psychology can help us to understand, prevent, and alleviate psychologically caused distress or dysfunction and promote an individual's well-being and personal development. Psychological assessment and psychotherapy are central to the practice of clinical psychology, but clinical psychologists are often also involved in research, training, forensic testimony, and other areas. So, this is all about clinical psychology, number 4, and at last, forensic psychology, number 5. Branch of psychology, number 5, at last, forensic psychology. Forensic psychology involves applying psychology to criminal investigation and the law. A forensic psychologist practices psychology as a science within the criminal justice system and civil courts. It involves assess the psychological factors that might influence a case or behavior and presenting the findings in court. So, this is all about the branches of psychology. If you like this video, please like, share more and more, and subscribe this channel to get this useful and educational video. Thank you. Bye.